Attorney Kapunan, just asking lang po, idol po kita sa tapang. How to be you po?
How to be you?
You can't.
You can't. Wow! Basag agad ang...
No. What's your name, Iha?
Sino ang nagtanong ng ano natin? Sino ang ating netizen or ano?
Banji.
Banji.
Do not aspire. Wag mong gustuhin na maging ibang tao. Kasi ikaw, Banji, paglaki mo, you be yourself. Be yourself. Kasi yung mga iba paano kaya ganyan? Pero ikaw, I'm sure, sa talino mo, sa ganda mo, be your own self.
You can never copy anyone.
Because original ka. Hindi tayo kopya, hindi tayo carbon copy, hindi tayo copy paste. Original ka, Iha. Be yourself.
Okay. Although I think yung qualities mo yung gusto niya. Katalinuhan, fashion sense, ganun.
Well, there is no substitute for sweat and tears yan eh.
Okay.
You play hard, you work hard, you play hard.
And you read a lot.
And you read a lot.
Kaya ka tumalino, attorney.
Well,
No, I think ako that's one of my belief eh.
Yeah.
If you read a lot, tatalino ka talaga.
because you exercise your brains eh.
Okay.